always fresh, fun, and local.
Hello, I'm Dave Peterson. I'm a relatively recent converter to keeping bees. We're at my house in Ross, where I typically keep 10 beehives. But in the spring, when the bees start to build up their population, it's swarm time. So to help prevent swarms, we make splits. We take out some frames of bees and some recently laid eggs and put them in another box. And if all goes well, they realize they don't have a queen anymore, and they will make a queen cell in which to raise a queen. So what we're going to do at this minute is take a look into one of these hives that I made a split in about 5 or 6 weeks ago, and see if in fact they did make a queen. And this is a good sign. We have lots of capped cells. The sort of brown suede looking area, those are capped cells where the queen has laid an egg. Worker bees feed it some nectar and pollen called bee bread, and that's how the bees pupate. Once they cap over it, they pupate into insects. So around the edges in this frame, you might see capped cells in the middle and larvae around the outside. This whole field is laid full of eggs. Typically there's a ring of pollen around the outside of the nest, and they store honey in the upper quadrant. So this more translucent looking area, as opposed to the brown suede looking area, is the stored and capped honey. But we're just not going to see the queen. Okay, now we have moved inside to my observation hive. Essentially what we have here is a single slice of a beehive. You can see a little bit in this area, the brown suede capped brood. Out in the middle, if you could see through the mass of bees, you would see some larvae and some eggs. So this is actually inside the house, and the bees have a connection to the outside of the house through this little plastic pipe, and they come in and out from the outside of the hive. This pipe can be removed, and you just pick it up by the handle and take it around to show people. It's very interesting to be able to watch the bees in their activity in the hive. This observation hive and others will be at the county fair at our Marin County Bee Club booth. So we'll look forward to seeing all of you out at the Marin County Fair. Come by the booth and say hi and check out the bees.